Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to manage more than one online project, maybe a personal portfolio, a client site, or an online store, today I'll show you exactly how to create multiple websites in Squarespace quickly and easily. Whether you're a business owner or a creative professional, this guide will help you scale your online presence in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open squarespace.com and click the login button in the top right corner. Once you're on the login page, choose Continue with Google. This is the fastest and most secure way to sign in, and it saves you from having to remember another password. If it's your first time using Google to log in, simply authorize Squarespace to access your basic profile information. After you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you'll see a list of any websites you already own. To create a new one, look to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. A small menu will pop up, and from here, select Create Website. This opens a brand new workspace where you can start designing your next site. One of the best parts of Squarespace is the template library. It's packed with modern, professional designs for every type of website, from portfolios and blogs to online stores and service businesses. Take a moment to browse through the templates. You can filter by category to find something that matches your vision. Once you've found a design that fits, click. Start with this design. Squarespace will now generate your new website with all the layout and styling elements already in place. From here, you can edit pages, change text, add images, and customize every detail, just like your first site. And that's it. You've just learned how to create multiple websites in Squarespace. It's a smooth, intuitive process that makes it easy to grow your brand, separate projects, or even manage client sites all from one account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more Squarespace tutorials and web design tips. Drop any questions in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.